So let's say I'm a pedestrian just walking down the road, okay? And boom, I find a pothole right there, okay? So what I can do in this case is I can just go onto the app and let me run you through the process of what we can do. Okay, so just now we found a pothole and we also launched the website. So now I'll walk you through the steps to accurately report the pothole, okay? So obviously you have to sign in or sign up. In this case I already signed up, so let me just sign in into my account. Alright. Okay, after you sign in, if you're a first time user, obviously you have to make a profile, which I have already done. Okay, so after that, we go to the report section. Okay, so obviously just now it was a pothole. Let's say it was a big pothole in the middle of the road. Alright. And then we submit the location, which was Jalan Kuning Padi just now. The photo of the pothole, obviously. Right here. Okay, that was the pothole we took. So we just submit a report. And now companies, okay, it shows up in the marketplace, which is where all the other issues shows up. Okay, so obviously companies right now, they can help now put in their business name. In this case, it's Hype Club Fitness, the business logo, which is right. Oops, give me a second. Right here. Okay, and the business website, which is right here. Let's say they want to donate 500 ringgit. Donate now. So now it will show up here in progress. Hype Club Fitness has funded 500 ringgit and is waiting for a registered contractor to take up the job. So obviously I'm not a contractor in this case, so I cannot take up the job. But if you go to profiles, you can become a contractor. Okay, all you have to do is put in your contractor name, which I have put. I fix potholes, the contact number of the contractor, and also legal documentation. So this is to prove that you're actually a contractor. Okay, let's put in this. This is my contractor terms, okay? Register as a contractor. The admins will now authenticate whether the legal documents is real, whether it's a real company or not. Okay, so now this is the available job, my active jobs. Okay, let's go to help, and you can see it's still here. Okay, so as a contractor, you can take up the job. Let's say I take this job up. Okay, so now I have an active job. So let's say I fix this pothole, okay? I completed fixing this pothole. All I have to do is go and upload the fixed pothole, okay? This isn't the exact pothole I fixed, but I can fix it. I put it on after the admins have like authenticated that you actually fixed the pothole. The 500 ringgit donated by the company will then be given to you as like a payment. So let's see. This is the before and this is the after. There we go. Okay, so obviously Hype Club Fitness is the one that sponsored this pothole to be fixed. So right now you can see it is sponsored by Hype Club Fitness. You can go visit the website. Boom, straight into the Hype Club Fitness website. So that is the marketing part of this project. So businesses can basically donate amount to fix something, and if that thing is fixed, the companies will get recognition. Okay, this one was done by a group of friends. Before they found an illegal dumping site, and after it was cleaned up, it became like this. So this is another function. Okay, let's say there's a illegal trash dumping site. Help now. And instead of sponsoring, we can also volunteer. Let's say your group team is help clean the environment, okay? And then the date is 7 days. You have to set up the date. Let's say the 16th. Okay, I schedule a cleanup. Okay, so this is a cleanup now. You can either join this cleanup, or after it's finished, you upload a completion photo. In this case, it's done here. This thing is done already. Okay, so that's how you do it. You can also volunteer to join the cleanups. This is where the cleanups are lah, basically. So that is the basis of the app. So the people that are actually posting these reports also have a place, which is the community leaderboard. So the person that does the most cleanups, reports the most problems, they will have a ranking here. That's to like give initiative for them to actually report the problem. So this is basically the website. You can also have it in BM or English. So just to sum it up, you have a report system for potholes, clog drainage, or illegal dumping sites. Okay, you can have all the details here. At the marketplace is where companies can sponsor, or you can actually start a volunteering group to clean up the problems in our environment. Okay, the volunteer part is for obviously to join the cleanup. Heroes is where all the completed work is done, and you can see if the company fixed it, you have the recognition there. If it was completed by cleanup group, you have the name of the group there. Okay, and there's also the community leaderboard, which is people that contribute the most, and the profile place. So that's all for this app.